Hello, welcome back to my kitchen, Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my yams. So let me adjust my camera for you. Now I got a pot here with some already in here, but I just want to show you how I did that. So I'm just going to peel this potato here, sweet potato. Okay, hold on just a minute. So if you would hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about it. I've already washed them, patted them dry. So I'm just doing 3 big potatoes, not a whole lot. Okay, so got that one peeled. Okay. And I got this that I'm gonna use to cut it with. It makes it look pretty shape. Let me show you. See how that little crinkles in there? So I'm gonna use this right here. Okay. And I have this water over here because that'll keep them from turning dark. Okay, let me give them a wash. Yeah. Give me a pot with some water in it, so when I wash them, I'm just gonna go right into my pot with it. So I didn't put that much water in there. And so what I like to do with mine, I like mine to come to a boil and just about, look, not real tender, just a little firm. And then I start adding all my ingredients in there. That's where I cook mine. I think I need a little more water. Okay. Okay, so this is ready for the stove. I'm going to put them on my stove, and when I get ready to, when they get like a little tender, When they get just not tender but firm, that's when I'm gonna come back and show you where I'm gonna drain some of my liquid off and start adding my ingredients in there. Hello, I'm back, getting ready to drain some of the water off my yams. Let me adjust my camera here for you. I'm just gonna go to the sink and drain just a little of this water off. Okay, so I got some of the my water drained off. I left just about, let me see, about 2 cups of water in here. Now, okay. I have my some cinnamon. Let me see. I thought I had my nutmeg, but I had something else. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna get me some cinnamon. Let me see what that fit in there. Nope. I just want to pour it in here. About a tablespoon of cinnamon. Now I know I have. Let me adjust my camera. I need to get into my cabinet because I like more nutmeg in mine than I do the cinnamon. But I'm trying to see, do I know I do. Let me see. Okay, I guess I don't. Okay, I guess I don't. But anyway, this is about a tablespoon of nutmeg. It's not quite a tablespoon. And I have some flavor here. About a half teaspoon. And I have some butter here. I'm gonna put in about 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, well, just a little left, so about 4.5. And then now I'm gonna put some brown sugar. A lot of people use just the white sugar, but sometimes I use white, sometimes I use brown. So let me start off with a half a cup. Let me see. So this is about a cup of brown sugar. Now, so now I'm gonna get it back on the stove. And let it cook. Now I'm gonna turn my eye down because I don't want it to cook too fast. That's what it looks like in the pot here. So I'm gonna put this top back on it, and I'm gonna turn it up, let it come to a boil, and I'm gonna turn it back down. So when I come back, it's gonna be it's kind of gonna be like on a like thick, like, because I don't want it too soupy. So I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like when I get back. Okay, I'm back. I wanted to show you how far my yams have thickened up. How they thicken up already. I just want to show you this stage of it. Now, see, this is what and it's gonna be dark brown like that because of the brown sugar that I use. If you use white sugar, it's not gonna be like that. So I think I want it just a little thicker. So I'm gonna let it boil just a little more, maybe about 5 more minutes. So that's what it looks like, right now. So, okay, when I come back, I'm gonna show you my finished product. Okay, I'm back. I'm getting ready to show you my finished product. Kind of move it off the stove just a little. That's what it looks like. And that's what the little crinkle look like, when I cut it. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah. Okay. Let me I want me a little of this juice in here. Let me back my camera up some. Ooh, hot. See, it's thickened up. See. Now, like I say, if you don't want it dark, you can use just plain white sugar. But to me, it's a little healthier. Move this off the stove. Okay, so okay, that's what it looks like. And I want me just a little marshmallows over mine. Now, if you want to melt your marshmallows and pour it over there, these are little miniature marshmallows. You can do that. See, this is what it looks like. And this is the dark brown sugar. I'm going to give it a taste. Oh, it tastes delicious. And this is what it looks like with the marshmallows. These are my sweet potato yams with marshmallows. Okay. This is it. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bon appetit.